Hello, I'm Natália Bueno. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Political Science at Emory University, and I'll be a fellow at Kellogg in the spring of 2023. In my stay at Kellogg, I hope to keep researching the question of the relationship between NGOs and governments. One interesting phenomenon across the globe is that a lot of the NGOs, they grow as the state grows, in the sense that as the state starts providing more services, as the state's grow in terms of number of employees and state agencies throughout the territory, we also see NGOs growing together with the state. And this is puzzling because a lot of the theories we've had about the role of NGOs in providing services to the population in general has to do with this conflict with the state or NGOs as substitutes of the state. However, we observe this complementarity that hasn't been that predicted in a lot of the developing country, in the context of developing countries. And the ways I try to go about answering this question about this complementarity between NGOs and the government has to do with the political strategies for actors to incentivize and collaborate with NGOs. So in one piece of the book, I look at the role that NGOs play in allowing governments to try to bypass or try to go around their opponents when providing service to the population. So when a politician faces an opposition at the local level, an NGO might be a good ally to provide services to the population in that area without relying on a political opponent. However, NGOs are also very common. It has a lot of partnerships between governments and NGOs at the local level. And for those relationships, the reasoning to explain them, I think, slightly different, has more to do with these partnerships, these revolving doors between NGO workers and government at the government level. And these partnerships these revolving doors actually allow for these partnerships to be created and be sustained over time. So I hope to continue this research at Kellogg and continue my dialogue with all of you in spring 2023. Thank you.